Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can install Microsoft Copilot. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and now without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in code.visualstudio.com and get into the official website. Now over here you have to go to the section of extensions. Go to this extensions and wait for it to open up in another tab. Then from right over here, you're gonna search the Copilot. Once you have searched it up, you will find the search results popping up, which is the GitHub Copilot. We're gonna be going to the GitHub Copilot Chat. Copilot. Now go ahead, simply install this. Once the extension has been installed, you have got yourself the GitHub Pilot, and now you can simply add the extension to your Microsoft likewise. At the bottom as well, you will see how it will work out, and they will have a different representation for the video representation right over here as well. And you can simply read it through how you can get access, how you can do with it, what is the specification, how it will help you out, everything. Once you have got it, install it, add the extension to your Microsoft, and you can use this as much as you want. That's how easy it is. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.